I got to ease this thing out of here and head back to the salt mine. The short man in beautiful Rocky Mount, Virginia, clear and gone. Hey, Unit 3, 411.
Big old hammer, short man. Absolutely do have a big old hammer in the corner. 122 Maine, letting you know.
May God continue to bless you on that end. Hey, 122 in Maine. They call me the short man in love country breaker.
Big old hammer pushing my old meter right over there. I think you're gonna break it, no doubt. Short man, sound real good up in the corner. Just want to spike it down, try to let you know. Got it going on. Short man, keep doing what you're doing. Got a big hammer, go ahead.
Boy, you got that hammer down there in love country, my friend. You got that thing laid on about 45 dB right now. Looking real good, sounding real good. Oh, 2018 going real good for you. Put it down only if Mother Nature permit. I am the short man. I ain't a LVP. I ain't the big man. I am your little short friend. I'll see you now.
Real good coffee, real good coffee. I hear you knocking on my door. You're gonna push it right in, no doubt. Gonna roll the windows up, let you out. Hey, short man, 60 over. Absolutely pegging the scale. Got some real good conditions. Hey, I hope you and I say yourself a very good day today and a better tomorrow. We'll do it again. Short man, got the radio going. 122 out of the road. Bye-bye.
Friend, tell all my friends in the state of Maine, I say, hello, how they do? I hope they have a real good 2018 prosperous and healthy one. Ain't no doubt about that. My friend in the state of Maine, 122, they call me Mr. Ed. Sometimes call the short man Mr. Ed in the doggone shed. Sometimes call the short man. I'll see you now. Click.
Real good coffee. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 122, Jailbird in Washington, D.C., 122 in Maine, Jailbird, Washington, D.C.,
Jailbird, Washington, D.C. You just rolled right in there. Absolutely did, sir. We're going to want to spike it down and let you know if we can.
Right there, 122, sounding good in Washington, D.C., 73rd Street, 122, G. There's another thing about Maine.
Right back at you, Jailbird. Right back at you. Have yourself a good one. Absolutely sounding good in the corner. 122 getting out of the road this go around. Bye-bye-bye, Jailbird.
Short man, low to the ground, short money, short boots, short square table, short radio, short antenna, every damn thing is short. The short man is gone. Oh, nah, they can't do nothing. Come on, man. Coca-Cola wagon wheel is right back. Come on. Hey, Roke here, look at them short wads. Them cotton niggas are undercutters, a cotton nigga. A lot of people don't know nothing about the undercut. They always think you got to overcut. But hey, Roke here, I can undercut a cotton nigga, cut him off. Hey, worldwide Roke here, if he's not the good out on the cotton nigga, he'll come down. Hey, Roke here, breaker. They're going around Virginia checking the water. Duck on around Virginia, testing the water, check. Oh, real hard, duck on a Mobile, Virginia, checking the water, break. Hey, Rogue, I got these 7,500 bird watch out here right now. I got this got me low to the ground. Just keep in mind, everything on planet dirt needs a ground. So just remember, you get up and high, John Deere, oh, it's man it is. But listen to me, at some point in time, that ass is coming back to ground. That short man on the ground is gone. John Deere in the Carolina quiet. Bye. Yo, got down. Around that DX plant.
Waving a hand, John Deere. Hey, John Deere, sounding good in the corner. 122, trying to let you know.
Baby, 122. Hey, 122 sound really good on this hill, my friend, I guarantee you. Hey, 122. Take care. 122 Hill Gamma. That is a short-ass man trying to ride his green tractor. Hello, 122. The short man riding the tractor. I'll see ya.
Oh, short man came in there, so he's riding that old green tractor. I gotta tell you, definitely, that old short man's got the highway into Maine at the moment. But hey, John Deere absolutely waving a hand down there to the Carolinas. You're rolling in there loud and proud. Just that old short man's trying to get a piece of that old tractor, 122, letting you know.
Yeah, 122, I ain't got a piece to give. We want to go somewhere else. I'm sorry about that. I really don't have nothing to give him on that end, but tell him I said I know how to do that. Take care, 122, John Deere.
Real good copy. That go around. Absolutely, John Deere. You shifted a gear. Absolutely did. Rolled right in there and put the meter where it belongs. John Deere sounded real good in the corner. 122, letting you know. Real good copy, John Deere. Real good copy. Keep doing what you're doing. We'll do it again. John Deere. 122 back out. Bye.
22, it's just too easy. Green Bank 122. That's going to be good. 122, John Deere gone.